Incredible! Incredible! Car.
She's at her new job doing hero.
Daddy,
Yes, Elijah.
Tyler went to a basketball player.
Tyler went to gym.
Huh?
Tyler went to what?
I said he went to basketball.
Yeah, I do.
He didn't go to basketball. He went to YMCA.
I was just playing basketball when you guys came.
Oh, he was playing basketball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It said boing boing. It did that.
Amir, do you want to play on the basketball team this year when Tyler starts next month?
Yeah.
For the little kids? For the little kids, they take the rim down lower. And y'all all play with little kids. So you're going to start in September too. You need to be practicing dribbling every day.
I am. At school.
Can he dribble the ball?
Kind of. He doesn't really do it when I'm around, but I don't know if he practices or not when I'm not there.
You're going to play on the team. You're going to need to.
Because whenever I'm there, he doesn't practice.
I'm practicing with
I
Daddy.
came and picked him up and seen him dribbling the basketball.
But
Maybe you don't be paying attention. Like I told you, you need to be paying attention to your brother.
They get that side, get this side, get that side. The water kill that side.
I see. Hey, I'm out of the way.
Huh? Don't hit the side. Because the side says doctors are picking up the dirt.
Yeah, that is what it said.
And that side means no. That means that side says there's a big truck. A big dump truck. Look at that. Look at that big dump truck. It's a big one. It's a really big one, Dad.
Well, it's really, really big.
Yeah. Why is it not working? Now, why is it not working?
Because it's raining.
Your lighting's not making them work.
What?
Your lighting's not making them work.
Right. You gotta wait till it stops raining.
Then they can work.
Yep.
And your big truck can work too.
My big truck?
Yeah, the back of your big truck. It can't work because it's raining, right?
It'll work.
Huh?
It'll work.
But the back of it can't work. Huh?
It does.
The back of it? Okay. Look, the dump truck. Why is dump truck are going? Where are they going?
That's ridiculous speed. The future is open for business.
Where are the dump trucks going, Dad? Where are the dump trucks going? Dad, drop me off at Grandma's house.
I
Okay?
heard you, Elijah.
Please drop me off at Grandma's house. Please drop me off at Grandma's house. Dad, we're at Grandma's house. Dad must drop me off. Huh? And I must drop me off at Grandma's house.
be quiet.
Daddy? Daddy must drop me off at Grandma's house. At Grandma's house, Daddy drop me off. Daddy think with that. And you're about to go bye-bye. You go. Are you about to go to Grandma's house too? Tyler?
Yeah.